Hello, and welcome to Trading with Malachi. Now, I haven't done a video in ages on trading. I mean, my life's been hectic. I've become my own boss. I've started working for myself, building that up and building up my revenue and working from home. It's amazing. But, you know, one of my passions is trading, and I love to trade. And I'm heavily invested in the crypto market. If you've watched my videos before, you would have seen um, crypto's not been going well over 2018. We had a storming end of 2017 where I saw my overall balance increase to 20,000. And since then, it's come all the way down and gone negative. I've had like $2,000 from my 6,000 investment. But it looks like the tide is changing. We're looking at the Ripple chart at the moment, and over the last couple of days, we've been seeing some really, really bullish green candlesticks. And the reason for this is that the XRapid system is going into place. So XRapid is basically Ripple's way of sending money from country to country. In this case, it's going to be to Mexico. And once they start sending funds across borders, then they have to use XRP to make that transaction happen. And as they continue to use XRP, it will do two things. It'll be one, it will burn away, because every time a transaction happens, some of the XRP is burnt away, destroyed, lost. So it will reduce the supply, and they'll have to buy XRP continuously to keep processing the money. But the companies have done trials and they've seen that the cost saving doing it this way is so great that they have to do it this way. Now, once this starts to steamroll, other companies are going to get involved and start using the XRapid system. They've got loads of other companies that are on their books but not using XRapid, so not using XRP. And they're going to start saying, wow, the guys that are using XRapid are getting much better savings when they're sending their funds across borders than us on Xcurrent. So we need to swap and go to XRapid. And when that happens, you'll see that price increase again. But let's talk about where we are today. I've got two lines in the chart indicating where price could potentially bounce off in the next 7 to 10 days. So currently the level of support is around 63 cents per Ripple. We've seen it nearly get to that level today, but at the moment it's retreating. So we may see a test of that level today and see if it either breaks it or if it bounces off that level and comes back down to our moving average lines, the red and the yellow. But you see this move today, it's gone through the averages, it's gone through DP, it's gone through R1, R2 and R3. It's a really significant move. Now, and we're looking at the daily chart at the moment, so each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. So here is the highest price of the day, here is the lowest price of the day. You see that little wick here, the little black line? So where it started, that was where the price started for the day. So all the information we need is here on this graph, telling us how much price has moved in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. And see, it bounced off this support 1 level. Came here and really messed about and then really broke. So what we're going to see now is either we're going to see it continue to rise and break through here and maybe break through here. Let's fib the move and see potentially where Ripple might go. So we fibbed the move of the last trend. So the last trend, you see it went down here, it stopped falling and then it rose and it stopped rising and then it fell. Now it stopped falling again and it's rising. So this was the last trend. This is the new trend. And we've now got our Fibonacci lines in place and we've gone through the 38% fib and we're currently dicking around at the 50% fib. So you can see, look, if we go through 61% fib and then through into this zone up here above 70 cents a ripple, then what we'd like to see moving forward is a test of the 62 level and it hold up. Depending on how bullish this trend is, we're going to see this market turn. And for the market to turn, it's not going to be a straight rocket price shooting up into the sky and it go up and up and up. When it came down, it goes down, it goes up, and it goes down, and it goes up. So it's going to do the same when it's going up. So it's going to go up, and it's going to go down. Now, as we come down to 62, anywhere in this region is a buy region. Now, if you want to get involved in making, the largest sum of money you'll probably ever make in your life, very easy. Minimum investment is $250. Click the link below the description, create your account, deposit $250 and put it on XRP. And I'm telling you, you won't go wrong. Like, if you've not got into crypto up until now and you're looking at it, getting it now, this is such a great time to get in, because when I got in, like 18 months ago, now I've got positions that, look, I'll show you, I've got positions that I've been open since 18 months ago. And I've watched it go up and come down. And this is my position. This is where I bought in originally into XRP at 22 cents a ripple. Now I've seen that price of Ripple go up to $3.50 per coin, and I did not sell because I thought it was going to go higher. Now we've had to go through 9 months of pain as the price continued to fall and fall and fall and fall. But you know, what goes up must come down and then go back up again. And hopefully it will go higher than it went last time. So I'll be able to gain more than if I took the 20 grand. This is what I'm hoping for. But in the short term, we could potentially see a rise from now until Christmas, where if you invested $250 today, you could make 10, 20, 30 times your investment on Ripple. And this is real world. It's happening right now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link below this video and I'll see you on the inside.